Hey, y'all remember that video a little bit over a year ago? Remember that? The AirTag, where I put the AirTag in here. I'll put the link up there if you want to watch it, but there's no reason to watch it because I just took it out and I've come up with a better idea. The reason I ended up not liking it there is because I would get in the car sometimes and you'd hear this thing make a little noise or whatever. I don't want to take the speaker out because the speaker aids in recovery. I'm not interested in stalking, I'm recovering. I found a really good place right here underneath the fuse box cover. If you look at the fuse box underneath, it's got a little sealant double lip underneath there. I'm just going to wipe off the bottom of it with my shirt. That's the kind of classless guy that I am. I'm going to mark out where there's a big cavity right here where a couple relays go. This will fit nice. That's going to go right there. Now all I need is a new piece of duct tape, which I just so happen to have ready. I'm going to double up on it because I'm not a single wide kind of guy. Just like that, very easy. Right there where it is in the middle, goes right there. Perfect. No one is ever going to see that, even if they work on this. No one's going to look at the underneath of this and pull it off and throw it inside like that. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. All right, I will have links in the description to the AirTag and to our sponsor of today's video, to ClearLook. The sponsor of today's video, ClearLook, makes this really cool $10, about a miniature hockey puck, and your AirTag goes inside there. And see where it says U? Well, I don't know if it says U, but that's the magnet symbol, universal symbol for magnets. That's all plastic. Here we go. It literally jumps out of my hand when it gets near the metal. I'm not throwing that. $10, and this makes it very portable for you to place this anywhere as you need to. Look at that, strong. And look, here's where I would put it. I'd put it on my senior parents. That's right, I'm 85, my parents are still alive. I'm gonna put this on their cars so I can find them instead of doing a silver alert. It's not stalking. I don't care where they go, what they do. If I need to find them, it's tracking. Same thing on my daughter's car. She's going out Saturday night with her friends. I'll just leave that right there. When she gets home, I'll come out and take it off. No big deal. It's not stalking, it's tracking. And you can do it too. Ladies, think your husband's spending a lot of time at the range and you got your doubts? Go find his ammo box. Throw it inside the ammo box. That way you'll know if he's really at the range. It was 1992. I was married to my first wife at the time. We were going hunting, me and the boys. And I got home, I'm like, hey honey, how come you didn't pack me a spare pair of underwear? She said, I did. It was inside and she opened up my ammo box and pulled it out. She knew I had been shooting or hunting or loading a weapon. It was a few months later and she was totally gone out of my life. All right, man. Very strong, weatherproof. It's got a silicone urethane gasket in between there. It's sealed up tight. Go get you one. Link is in the description. See ya.